speaking, it's about understanding. When we learn someone's language, we're also learning their words, their culture, their feelings, their story. Even a few simple words can make someone feel seen, heard, and respected. You don't have to be going to connect. You just have to try. A smile and greeting or a kind word can build a bridge between hearts to new people, new places, and sometimes to part of ourselves we didn't know before. Because when we speak, we don't judge, share word, we share hope, care, and connection.